How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV, and I got a super special video for you guys today. Ember has finally made a toy hauler, the 240 TKR, and I got a sneak peek for you guys. People have been begging Ember to do this for a long time, and they finally have. The 240 TKR has a 90-inch by 72-inch party deck, which serves as a ramp into the camper. It's got the Ember E-Track bunk system and their new front bed system. They're calling the Twin King system. It can be used as a couch, twin beds, or one big king bed. It's pretty awesome, and I got some footage for you guys while I was at Ember the other week. So check it out and let me know what you think. The 240 TKR is super unique and innovative. That one's just a prototype. Nothing's finalized yet, but it looks incredible. It's going to come in on the higher end of the Overland pricing. But if you want more information or see if we can get one in your hands, check out our website, premierrv.com, or call this number below, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. We got plenty more of 2024 videos coming your way, so make sure you are subscribed and leave a like and a comment if you like this video. And let me know below what you think of this floor plan. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.